if you got a situation where you need to transport a kerosene heater like this, but it won't fit in the trunk, you can easily break it down. There's a thumb screw here, and there's one on the other side. And basically the top chimney comes off. And I think you should be removing this every now and then just to clean it. But so it comes off like that. And I usually just put the screws right back in there so I won't lose them. And when you go to set it in place, you have to put this notch down here where this igniter is. So that's a quick tip if you want to transport that in the trunk of your car. But it won't fit. In mine, it's a couple inches too tall. So I figured out a way to break it down, and now I can transport it to someone that needs a emergency backup heater for the ice storm that we're about to have. So with it broken down, I can easily set the tank right here, and then set the chimney in beside it. And then when I get there, I can just put it back together and it's ready to go. So I've got the kerosene heater transported where they need it as a backup heater. And now I'm going to put it back together. Got the 2 thumb screws, and you just line up the slot here with the igniter button there. And it's best to get both the screws started before you tighten them up. So now it's ready to fire up and use if they need some backup heat.